Nzama ya magavana iweta kana magavana onthe nimetikilile kwa wasio umwe kulika muvangoni umwe wa serikali nene wa kuvathia masipitali ma kaunti mio ya Uiti. Walonelo ukuitwa National Equipment Services Project mwene kivilo wa Nzama ula ni gavana wa Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi nwaweta muvango ni witikilitwe ni kaunti sionthe na wina kielelo cha kwailia Uiti. Sipitali ni sianduani kwa nzia itena ngalama wang'ang'aniana ulusani uisianisia na muvango otau wa serikali mbitu ya Jubilee ula wa vatisitwe Managed Equipment Services Benjamin Mwaka na Maovo.
Haya basi makofi as he flags
kuyana na Nzama magavana COG ni kana muvango umwe wa National Equipment Services Project NESP no kwatu ambao ni magavana onthe wonanyo one muvango musio wa kwa ile Uiti masipitali ni on them.
Overall, for a full council meeting to have accepted, the governors must have processed and said, then it's fair. I think it's a good scheme, Chair.
Mwene kivilo wa Nzama ya magavana na ule ingini gavana wa kaunti wa Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi avikile mbi wa Nzama ya mbunge ya seneta wiki wa masabu mivango ni mwana ya serikali ya kaunti ya Sipik aweto na kutuika milioni ya mamilioni mambesa ni kuaniwe masipitali kauntini ikule nene ni wanyo wa vaita kumodho kuminwa meyo ya Uiti.
The complaints we have received are that yes, NES provides the equipment you want. They are able to service the equipment, but then maybe you can tell us about the revenue sharing, because there has been complaint that the revenue sharing model is not favorable to counties. Maybe they take more than they should take.
It's on the certain critical machines that probably the counties are feeling more is going to the vendor. But when you look at the vendor's argument also is those are machines that are very, very expensive. And if the traffic, the volume of transactions in terms of number of services offered is not sufficient, then the vendors themselves may actually make losses on some of the machines. So it's not a standard percentage.
Governor Abdullahi weta vena thina munene miyo alikama okoni mama governor ni kwithwa kumiungamia ningala manene muno muyola yu meunengelelya kwa serikali nene na ni maende kunena nya thukumimo kuya masipitali ni ma county undu wa kutumia miyo ino.
And they are the ones who are doing maintenance, because the biggest cost in these machines is maintenance and consumables. Consumables and maintenance are the biggest cost. The challenge is now coming from our own staff, because our staff are used to the old mess arrangement where machines were delivered and we were charging for those machines and taking all the money ourselves as counties. So compared to that, then they'll see and the revenue has reduced. But actually what they don't realize is their revenue had actually reduced at the sharing level, because there was an inbuilt conditional grant to every county that was being deducted at source. And the legality of deducting and conditional grant at source itself was one of the reasons why MES was deemed an illegality.
Vilingwa Maovo kumava musini lovi nyenito wa Benjamin Mwaka.